Hey guys, it's your real active Katie88 here, and welcome to an Animal Crossing video. Because there was an update with explosions in the sky, and the explosion show starts at 7, but I decided to start a little bit before 7 because I wanted to tell you what I did to prepare for the fireworks show. I made a bunch of custom designs, first of all. Not the ones I need for the thing, of course, because I have a purple circle, I have a star, I have a flower, I have my flag, but without the background, and I have a heart. It's not labeled as a heart, but you can tell it's a heart. It's a heart. And I decorated the square, so, well, I didn't really, quote-unquote, decorate the square. I kind of just moved everything over to the left. Because I had all this stuff over here. I think I'm going to keep it over there, and I'm going to move all the stuff in the front to over there as well. But, I have ring toss here. I have a skirt, because it looks nice. I have a wheelchair, because I purchased it as a seat. Oh, something did happen at 7. Ding, ding. It's time to start looking up, y'all. The fireworks show has just begun. That was a good ending. Whoa, fireworks. Woo. Pew. 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 It's really pretty. Look at all of my villagers cheering. Where's Tangy? Tangy. I call it Tangy. I'm weird. What are you doing over here? I'm gonna nudge you to the square. This isn't being mean. Putting you in a better spot. Oh, also, if you haven't noticed, I went and sold all my flowers and all my fruit in order to get a ton of money for Red's raffle. And also pulled out my party poppers. Because I have a bunch of those. Pop! Just for fun, of course. I have a spinny wheel, which I bought today. I have a music player, which you won't get to hear. I have Mom's plushie. And I'm in a really cute outfit. It's my 50s-esque outfit. And I also have an umbrella that matches it. It's very cute, and I really like it. I just thought I would wear something different since it's a special-ish occasion. Welcome, welcome. You're 2 steps away from Murad's raffle. Fabulous prizes. Every ticket's a winner. Well, can I do it? No? I just get to... alright. Step right up to Red's raffle. It's only 500 bells a ticket, and each ticket nets a prize. So that's right. Every ticket's a winner. So what do you say? I'm in. Excellent. Wonderful. Now, if you please, reach your hand into the box and pull yourself a ticket. Yep. Will it be? Will you win? Let's find out. Very nice. It's number 2. Your own blue sparkler. Congratulations. Woo! You're on a roll. Care to keep going? Yeah, let's do it. I'm just gonna spend a ton of my money here just to grab a bunch of stuff. I'm gonna talk to Isabel, though. Number 12. A pink balloon. Yeah. I hope I get a blue balloon, like, before I'm poor. Because it's blue. That's the color I usually wear in these videos. Here's the number 11. It's a green balloon for the lucky winner. A green balloon. Gosh. My voice been cracking so much more recently. Ooh. Okay, that one was intentional. What'll it be? Is that a 9? No, wait, that's a 6. You want a pinwheel? Congratulations. And a 9. No, it's a 6. Alright, I'm only gonna pull one more. I'm gonna talk to Isabel. And I'm gonna keep going until I get a blue balloon. What'll you win? Let's find out. Uchiwa fan. That's cool. What a great way to spend all of my money. One more. This will be it. I promise. Luck number 7. Here's a tweeter. A tweeter! Not right now. Red. I can play again soon, alright? Of course. Shifty bean. Fireworks show has begun. I'm glad you made it, Kitty Cat 88. A little something for everyone as part of today's event. Shine as bright as the fireworks in the sky while wearing your bulb bobber. Another added benefit is that it'll make you easy to spot. It can get pretty dark out here at night. A bobber? It's so cute. Love it. What's up, Bo? Something super duper cool to show you, but I gotta guess what it is first. Well, I'll just tell you, it's my very own sparkler, Salt Lick. Cool, right? And guess what? I got one for you too. I love those thingies. Like, a lot. I should probably limit myself, so I'm happy to share, Salt Lick. And you'll love those thingies too. Yeah. Let's use it. Let's use the sparkler. Hold. Ooh. Aw, I'm so happy. Can do patterns with it. Oh no. Oh no. It broke? Ah, it broke. That was fun. What balloons do I have? A pink balloon. Look at those. Red balloons. I'm gonna stop singing now. Boop. Love this stuff. This is so cute. Yes, how can I be of assistance? Got a firework idea. Another one. Wonderful. Oh yeah, I talked earlier about it. Yes, make explosions in the sky. Rip a circle. And we'll have some 2 little hearts. Then I'll have a star. And we'll have the painted music notes, because those are cute. We'll have flower. And then we'll have clover. I'm just doing anything that doesn't have a background, except for the hole, because that's a hole. And next one would be the footprints. And this one would be my heart. Let's add another star. Footprints kind of stand out. Add more music instead of the footprints. Alright. Amazing. I can't wait to see your work lighting up the night sky. Get everything prepped in time for launch tonight. Just gotta look. Or wait until it explodes in the air, I would assume. These fireworks are really pretty. I really like them. The fireworks show. I'm really glad they added it to New Horizons. I don't know if they've had it before, but it's nice. It's a nice addition, a nice touch, nice explosiveness. I don't know, it looks good. That's what I'm trying to say. Pew. 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 No, I'll do. I'll do. I'll do encouraging. Because it's like cheering and stuff. Hello, Vesta. How you doing? Pew, and pew, and pew. And where are my fireworks, Isabel? Pew, pew, pew. I guess she did say just in time for launch tonight. So I guess we'll have to see. These fireworks are really pretty, though. Hold on, I wonder. Oh, it does have firework noises. That's really cute. Here. I don't know if this will actually turn up the volume, but I could just use my. Hold on. I don't know if you guys could hear that, but it's explosions! Here they come! They look so good! They look so good, I love them! So pretty! Aww. I really did like how the flower one looked. That was so good! The light! Yeah! That was nice. I liked it. Okay, so more raffle tickets. Yeah. Let me spend my monies. Right. I keep forgetting I have to press on the box. I'm in. It's wonderful. Now, if you please, put your hand into the box and pull yourself a ticket. Yes. B, what do you win? My favorites. It's number 3. A fountain firework. We can place our own fireworks. That's so cool. I only watched the trailer video for this, so excuse me if I sound silly. B, what will you win? Let's find out. It's number 4. A bubble blower. Woo. Bubble bubbles. Yes. Again. Take my monies. I earned it specifically for this. Number 10. Yellow balloon. Cool. Yes. Keep going. Excellent. Wonderful. Pull a ticket. Pull another. And another. And another. More tickets. Give me the money. And number 8. A blue balloon. Yay. Blue. Happy. Yes. Keep going. You win. Pull the number 10. We have another yellow balloon. Another one. Nice. Yes. Let's keep doing it. Will you win? It's another number 9. And another red balloon. What else can I get? Ew. Give me more. I want more bubbles. I want another bubble blower. Let's find out. It's number 4. Yeah! More bubbles. Yay. Yes. I think I can spend 2 more. Wait, hold on. 5 more. Because then I'll be at 990. 99.99. Right? Yeah, that's what it'll be at. No. I can bowl 3 more. 3 more? Yeah, 3 more. Took me a little bit to add that all up in my head. But I did, which is good. So number 2, a blue sparkler. Alright. Yes. We'll do this one, and then we can do one more, and then I have to stop. So I'm just spent $9,000 on this. We have another blue sparkler. Cool. Pull that ticket. Yes, last one. Last one for now. Reach your hand into the box. Pull a ticket. Woo. What'll it be? What'll you win? We want a red sparkler. Great way to end it. Well, all the raffling stuff at least. Nope. No thank you, Red. Aurora, don't shout at Isabel. How you doing, Lucky? I haven't talked to you much. It is over. The fireworks show is now in full swing. It should not be missed. Ouch. I should probably clarify why Lucky's here and Phil isn't. Phil wanted to move, and Lucky happened to be in my campsite the same day. And so I was just like, hey, Lucky, you want to fill in Phil's spot? And that's what he did, and now we have Lucky. Which I'm really excited about because now I have, like, 3 Dreamies, I think. 3 of mine, at least. I might have 4. I haven't decided yet. We have a wall fan. Just gonna put that over here with the rest of the stuff until I bother to put the stuff in my house. I keep all that stuff out here so that it adds to my star tally, my star tally, my rating tally, because eventually I'm going to make it into more locations since I have a lot of space. And also I'm eventually planning to move the amphitheater. I don't know when though, but I just want to move it because it's kind of in the way of the museum. So I'll probably move it like near where Kara's tent is presently. More fireworks. Oh yeah, mine are going again. Yay. Pew. I didn't make that many, but they look nice. I actually do want to add more flowers to the design. That's how can I be of assistance? Another one? How wonderful. Let's take a look at your latest design. Let's replace it with another purple circle. Place you with a flower. Place you with a heart. Actually, hold on, I don't know what I'm gonna do just to make sure it's distance a little more. Hey, looks good. Thank you, Isabel. I appreciate it. Alright. Reds. We have 3 blue sparklers. Let's use one of these. So cute. Yay! And there it goes. It just pulls out another one. Boing. 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 Love it. We have other pink balloons. I do. I have one more pink balloon. Let's hold the blue balloon. Yeah. Actually, let's hold the yellow balloon since we have 2 of those and it's my favorite color. Woo! I love it. So, I heard that you can fall with these balloons. Just gonna run around till I fall. I know that's a weird thing to say, but I just looked over at my recording and it was glitching. Maybe running isn't the best idea. These balloons are adorable. I'm gonna be honest. Can add them to the favorites list. Pinwheel. We have the tweeter. Boop. we have the fountain firework. Let's use it. Press A to light. Ooh. Gotta move away so that it doesn't explode our face. Firework safety. Move away from the firework or else it's gonna hurt. So don't stand next to the firework. Please. It actually says used. That's sad. Oh, that's just my ribbon. Okay. Oh, blowers. Phew. That's adorable. Oh, that's annoying. They're already used. Grab you real fast. Oop. What's in the present? Open. Document stack. Lovely. Pop! My fireworks are going again. They just ended. At least they look nice. Why did... Oh gosh. Okay, well... The time for the video's over. So... Just gonna enjoy the fireworks with my umbrella while I end off the video. This was really fun. There's a lot of fun stuff in the update. And I really liked it. Hold on, let's spin the wheel again. 7. Cool. I don't know what that means, but I mean, whatever. It's a number. Number 7. Yeah. So, thank you guys for watching the Animal Crossing video of today. It's not gonna be of just this week. There's gonna be one coming out tomorrow, which explains just some random stuff and also why Lucky's here instead of Phil. So, again, thank you guys for watching the video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video that I do. Do. I know I just ended the video already, but I mean, sparklers. Gonna have fun with the sparklers, because it's fun. Bye, guys.